everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to use MySQL Workbench or HeidiSQL to basically create a table, and within the table to insert SQL queries, and also use delete SQL queries. So what we have here is a sample question, and we are going to discuss this question. There is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store data. The product table of that database is given below. So this is the product table which we have right here. So our question is, create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. Question number 2, create a table named Product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. So here what we have here is our ID, and it will be the primary key, and it will be an auto increment, and the data type is here integer. Then brand, we have varchar 45, model varchar 45, then the quantity will be integer, and the price will be double. So let's head on to our database to create this. So what we have here is our Next Computer database, and we are going to create a table named product. So according to that, we are supposed to have our ID to be integer, and also it will be our primary key, and we are going to set this on auto increment. Now we are going to add in our brand, and this will be varchar 45, and this will be no default value again, and add in another column for the model, then our quantity, which will be of the data type integer. So integer here, and then finally we have our price. So I'm going to keep that in brackets and keep it as rupees here. So that will be in the data type double. So this will also be kept as no default value. And now I'm going to save the table. So now we can see the table has been created. Moving on to the next part of our question, they've asked us to insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. Question number 4, the owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in his company. He has decided to remove Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. Question number 5, the Asus brand ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop is no longer manufactured, so it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the required delete query statement. So let's head on to our database and execute. So what we have here is our insert queries. So I'm going to click on execute, and this all will be added to our database. So small error here. So the quantity column should be changed as QTY, because that's what we named our data as, QTY, yes, named in our table. So I had to change it for all 10 of these values. Now I'm going to click on execute. So I think we updated our price column as well. So it's price space row, if I'm not rupees, if I'm not mistaken. But just to make it easy, I'm just going to remove the rupees part out of it and save it. And now I'm going to execute this, and now this has been executed. Go to data, and when we can see in our data that it is all here. So that's the end of question number 3. In question number 4, we will be discussing next how to delete the Lenovo laptop from the store. So for question number 4, we are supposed to delete the entries of the brand Lenovo, and the model, delete the entries of the model ROG Zephyrus M15. So that's for our question number 5. And now I'm going to click on execute, and now this has been executed. I'm going to a table, and I'm going to click on refresh. So we have one Lenovo laptop and one ROG Zephyrus. Now we have only this left. So 8 laptops are left, and these have now been deleted. So that is it for this video on how to insert data and delete data in a database application. Thank you for watching.